So we had our December PCC meeting, and it was a 2-day meeting. And the first day, we talked about the recent town halls that we have been having. And there were a lot of good interaction and dialogue with our constituents. And there was a couple of asks from the Risk Management Association. They wanted us to see if we could do some sort of education to our constituents about disclosing the related party aspect of the right to use asset and the liability. It's actually required under the related party standards, and so they felt like they weren't getting that information in the financial statements since the new leases had been adopted. So we are going to consider that. We also got a request to look into ESOPs, which is a growing financial issue with plans that have retirements and the cash draw that's going to be to pay out those people. So we were excited to be able to have some great dialogue and some actual requests from them. Today we talked about CECL. CECL will be effective for 12/31/23 financial statements, and we are really afraid that our private company stakeholders aren't addressing this standard as urgently as they should be. There is a lot of back and forth on the reasonable and supportable forecasts that they're going to need to consider, and we want to make sure that people aren't caught in trying to do this at the last minute, and they have time to think about it and really prepare for the analysis that will have to go into this standard. It does include trade AR, which a lot of constituents aren't aware of, so we believe that more emphasis should be focused on preparing for this standard for the 12/31/23 financial statements. And we would also, we welcomed new members that will be effective on January 1. There will be a new chair, Jerry Sharver, effective January 1, and they all participated in our meeting and we had good discussion, and so look forward to what the PCC is going to do in the future. I believe that they might be considering some practical expedience in maybe revenue recognition or some other standards that have been effective, and they're doing the post-implementation review and surfacing areas where we might be able to provide some relief from the PCC's perspective. So I look forward to watching that and to wishing them well.